There are only 3 Silverado years that can honestly be called the best truck ever made, and most people will argue about it forever.
But the data does not lie. These 3 years beat every other truck in reliability and durability and in owner satisfaction. It is not even close.
Number 1 will surprise you because it beat trucks that cost 3 times more in every single category. Stay to the end, you need to hear this.
Number 3, 2003. This is the truck that proved a Silverado could run for decades without asking for anything more than oil changes and basic maintenance. The 5.3 Vortec in this truck is legendary. Simple, powerful, no unnecessary technology, just a motor that starts every single morning no matter what happens outside.
There are 2003 Silverados on the road right now with over 400,000 miles on the original engine. Not rebuilt, not replaced, the same engine from the factory.
Owners of 2003 Silverados do not talk about their trucks like they are old. They talk about them like they are family members that never let them down. Try finding another truck from 2003 that still runs this strong and costs this little to maintain. You will not find one. It does not exist anywhere. If you own a 2003, you are not driving an old truck. You are driving proof that GM once built something that absolutely refuses to quit no matter what.
If your Silverado has never left you stranded and hit that like button right now, you earned it. And the next 2 are even more impressive than this one.
Number 2, 2007. The year GM looked at every other truck maker on the planet and said, we are about to build something you cannot touch. First year GMT 900, fully boxed frame, coil-over front suspension, hydroformed steel. GM did not cut a single corner on this truck when they built it. Less electronics than newer trucks, which means less things that can break. The 2007 was built with the philosophy that simple is better and stronger always. Ford owners respect it, Ram owners fear it, and Toyota owners quietly wish they had one sitting in their own driveway instead of what they are driving now.
There is a reason you still see 2007 Silverados everywhere on highways and job sites 20 years later. They were built to work, and they never stopped working.
If you own a 2007, you own the truck that changed everything for GM. The truck that made the competition go back to the drawing board and start completely over.
And number 1, the greatest Silverado ever made, the truck that sits at the absolute top of the mountain above everything else. 2011, without any doubt.
5th year GMT 900. Every problem from 2007 through 2010 was identified and fixed.
By 2011, GM had perfected this platform down to the very last bolt.
The 2011 is the truck that mechanics recommend to their own families, not because someone pays them to say it, because they have seen the proof firsthand. Reliability surveys put the 2011 ahead of trucks that cost twice as much when they were new. It beat Toyotas, it beat Fords, it beat everything on the list.
If you own a 2011 Silverado, you are not just driving a good truck. You are driving the single truck that any American.
3 Silverados that earned the title of the best ever made. 2003, the unkillable legend. 2007, the game changer. 2011, the absolute peak of perfection.
Comment your year and tell me why your Silverado is the best truck you have ever owned. And watch the next video to see what else makes these 3 special.